While rivers whisper truth as they flow down.